What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk about the next crypto market bull run. Okay, so I know a lot of you are still waiting on the sidelines to really see some exciting price action in the crypto markets before you dive in. But what I have to say today is just really to remind you guys to not really be short-sighted and to consider that, at the end of the day, crypto as a market has intrigued investors for a long time now. And even though it's very volatile and it's marked by significant bull runs and also quite significant drawdowns and corrections, people have earned quite significant sums, some lost quite a lot of money, but crypto has earned the reputation for being a sector of investments and a sector that does offer a high growth potential. And now that we are standing on the cusp of another potential bull run in 2024, 2025, even extending all the way to 26, there are some compelling reasons to anticipate significant gains and just to see that crypto market cap really explode. So if you're interested in this type of content, make sure you tap in and lock in until the end of the video, and make sure you head on over to our main site, decentralized.news, and always remember to check out the links in the description. So the nature of market cycles as far as crypto markets are concerned, it obviously does mean that, if you want to become a proficient trader, or if you're keen on sort of understanding these cycles, you need to just understand that there are phases such as accumulation phases, markup phases, distribution, and also markdown phases, right? So recognizing these phases actually just makes it possible for you as a trader to then go ahead and make informed decisions, capitalizing on the shift from one phase to another. And obviously, if we look at the cyclical nature of prices in the crypto markets, the current bear market could soon also transform into what we call a bullish phase. So let's talk about the historical gains and also the predictive potential. Okay, so the historical data of Bitcoin itself is particularly intriguing. Bitcoin's value began at zero, experienced its first bull run around 2011, and we saw prices soar from about $1 to $32, which was an astounding 3,200% in increase. And over the years, the crypto market also has seen some dramatic rises, with Bitcoin touching all-time highs frequently. By 2022, Bitcoin's price reached about 64K before it settled around the 35K mark. And then we saw a significant drawdown where we saw the market collapse and crypto, Bitcoin specifically, draw down to about 16, 17K, or 15 rather. So these shifts, obviously, they are quite tumultuous. But when we look at the actual overall year-on-year growth, we see that crypto is still the highest generating income potential for investment. So as a sector on average. So if we also draw parallels to these historical data patterns, we also see that this coming anticipated bull run, which will probably be around the 2024 next year, 2025, it promises also to be quite spectacular. And we are hoping to see prices of Bitcoin probably go up to the 175K or $200,000 mark. Ethereum, another dominant player, also might hit quite a significant milestone in terms of its market cap, where we could see ETH increase the market cap to 1.5 to 2 trillion, pushing the value to about 14,000 to 18,000 per Ethereum. So what are the reasons why I'm so bullish? At the end of the day, we need to think about the resilience of Bitcoin among the chaos and crypto in general. There have been so many setbacks, especially in the last bull market. We saw Luna, Celsius, BlockFi, all of these were real tests to the resilience of the crypto space, FTX, etc. But we did manage to gravitate towards that 30K mark. We are sort of trying to run up to the 30K mark again now. We're also seeing that monetary policies and liquidity issues were quite a factor Obviously now at the moment we're seeing rising interest rates all across the world, and governments leaning towards expansionary policies as we sort of are getting to election seasons in the major countries. We'll probably see quantitative easing, inflation again likely to keep rising, and asset prices to continue to soar, and crypto markets will be another sector that will definitely go up substantially. If we look at the historical analysis, past data does reveal that Bitcoin's ROI has obviously decreased over time. So the length of the bull runs, though, have tended to actually become longer by approximately about 25%, which implies that while gains may be spread over more extended periods, they do remain quite substantial for all of those who are sort of skeptical a little bit. But at the end of the day, what I just want to end this with is that the fact is that the potential for the forthcoming bull market is pretty much grounded in a blend of historical data, market cycle understanding, and also understanding current events. And obviously, while past performance is not indicative of future results, the consistent resilience of the Bitcoin and the crypto market overall offers an optimistic outlook for investors. So as always, make sure you are prospecting to make sure you are in position to capitalize on some of these gains, but also make sure you are doing proper research, staying updated, and exercising caution. All of these things we teach on our main site. Go to decentralized.news, check out our other videos on this channel, and also make sure you check out the links to my book DeFi Millionaire, which is at defimillionaire.com, defi-millionaire.com. Free download if you want to understand the world of decentralized finance. Also, if you're interested in knowing about tokenized assets, or especially real world assets, go to my book Tokenized Trillions. Links are in the description to my other book as well, Blockchain Applied. But don't forget to make sure you check out the links to my favorite platforms to trade on down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on our social media. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. And don't despair, this bull market is just about to get started. So let's keep focused and eyes on the prize, guys. Peace, love.